Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the new features that is rolling out with the preview update in Windows 11 24 25H2 is in the options for the quick machine recovery. So quick machine recovery, once again, is a feature where if your PC blue screens or black screens and it doesn't start again, there will be a option to use the quick machine recovery, which will connect online and look at the telemetry from your machine that's going to tell Microsoft why it's not starting, and they will try to roll out a solution for you. What has changed is that now the quick machine recovery and automatically check for solutions are now on by default, which was not the case before. And what this is going to do is that the first time that the quick machine recovery is going to start, it's going to scan, send that scan result to Microsoft, try to find a solution for you. If it does, it will either download files that might be broken or try to do something that will fix the problem. And if it can't, if it just doesn't find any solution for you, it will send you to the next best thing. And eventually that means it's going to send you, of course, to the new feature, which will be the point-in-time feature, where it's going to tell you, well, you can maybe roll back to this point in time where it seemed that your PC was still working, or any other solution that might be something that's going to help you out. So they're tweaking this, working on it to make it a little better. Hopefully, if you do need to use it, which is something we don't want to use, but if you do need to use it, hopefully it's going to be very helpful at some point and help, especially people that are not very tech savvy. If that could help them prevent, calling a tech guy or paying for a service because Windows is going to repair itself, I think that could be a very good feature in the long run. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.